Hello, dear friends and colleagues. This is Dr. Sri Bhagavati, and I am doing my junior residency in the course of MD Transfusion Medicine in AIIMS Bhubaneswar. And this is my first phase of video in our channel, which is basically managed by my fiancé, Dr. Mahalingam sir, who's currently working as a medical officer in Tamil Nadu state government. And the main motive of this channel is to keep the learning process in a live and healthy way, and to give some kind of motivation not only to you all, and also to keep ourselves motivated in this tiring and long run in our medical field. And we wanted to share and teach some very little things which we are exploring in our day-to-day practice. And also we are trying to share some of the academic opportunities or academic part or new learning platforms or any new things which we are coming across in our career. And I'm sorry for the technical inexpertise which we are having, and we know that we are yet to improve in those things, and we are working on it to improve ourselves better and better. And also we are trying to dedicate a little more time towards this learning process. And the main motive of me in this video is to tell something to the NEET PG aspirants who are appearing for the NEET exam next month. And I know that there are hardly 20 days more for the exam, and I can feel the peak of this time and the pressure which you are all facing now. And I want to tell only one thing, like believe in yourself. Like, do not get breakdown, do not get overthinked, or do not get over engaged with some thoughts. Like, just remember one thing: to believe yourself, keep confidence in you, do not doubt your knowledge. And the only thing you want to do now is to just practice to face that 3.5 hours of your exam. For that 200 questions which you are going to do with your maximum, that is what you want to do now. Forget about everything, forget about the pandemic, forget about some time which you would have wasted, forget about all the hardships which you have faced. I would say one thing, that 95% of your colleagues would have come across all those things which you have come across. Don't think that it's only your problem, and everyone have their own problems, but the only thing is that it may be in some other time and for some other reason. And at the end of the day, you all are on the same situation now. And just I'm a person who believes in God, who believes in prayers, and I'm wholeheartedly telling that I'm praying for all your success, and I'm keeping you all in my prayers for all the unknown brothers and sisters who are out there to face the exam now. And just tell only this thing to you, that you believe yourself, okay? And take care of your health. That is very important. Take care of your health. Just practice some questions. Don't learn anything new by this time. You're not going to appear for something which is different for you. You know everything what is going to come. And take more water, take care of your health, take a good nap the day before your exam, and go coolly to your exam. And just 1 minute before you start reading your first question, just close your eyes and tell yourself that all the 200 questions that are going to appear on your screen are all from what you know, only from what you know. The only thing is that you have to manage that 3.5 hours to face the 200 questions with confidence. Only that you can do now. And I was once in your place, and I am somewhere where I didn't think I will be into, and that is what you call destiny. And you're all near your fruit of victory and success. And believe in you always. No, believe in you, and appear for the exam. uh, Even after the exam, believe that good is going to happen to you. Okay, don't worry about anything, don't learn anything new, just practice, practice, practice. Okay, don't think of anything else, don't think of the results, don't think of what field you will get into, where you will get into. Nothing should be there in your mind now. Just practice and go with the confidence. You will clear it out. Okay, and that's all for now. Meet you all in a next session with some good and new things. And all the very best, all the very best. My wholehearted wishes and prayers for you all. Thank you.